Okay. So what we're doing here is we've ordered these surfboards that are 10 pins wide, and what we really need is one that's 5 pins wide. So we have to do two things. First, we have to cut this in two, and you don't actually have to cut it all the way in two. You just have to score it on one side so that we have five pins for each one. And then once we have the 5 pins, it turns out we don't, for each one, we don't want the middle pin connected to this pad. So then we have to go in and make just a small cut on the narrow part of the trace to get rid of that. But we only want to do that on the middle pin. So we're going to make 2 cuts, actually 3. Okay. First one is we score the board. We cut this trace and we score the board right in the middle. So five pins in on each side. Okay. So I clamp it in. I'm laying my hand on the table, so as we get older we're a little less steady. So trying to keep my hand steady. And again, we're not trying to cut it all the way in two. We're just trying to score it. All we have to do is, it's good to make sure it's anchored. That thing just spun on me a little bit. Okay, so you're just scoring it a little bit. Just snap it in two. Okay, so now we got 2 of the 5 pin ones. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that little narrow neck of a trace right here between my 2 fingertips, so that the pin isn't connected to that middle pad. You have to make sure you don't touch the ones on either side with this big blade. You just need to remove the metal. Can you zoom in on that? Show the metal removed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.